Today we're eating kushikatsu, a platter of bite-sized goodies skewered on sticks, coated in a light batter and deep-fried to a perfect crunch. We visited Kushikatsu Daruma in Dotonbori, one of the most popular kushikatsu chains in Japan. It's hard to miss this place as they have a giant face above their entrance. It was a busy Friday night and we waited for about 30 minutes before we got seated. We ordered their Shinsekai combo, which comes with 15 assorted skewers and a side of doteyaki, a stew of beef, tendons, cognac, and miso. The set costs 2,200 yen.
Napatingin din sa... Sige lang dyan. Indonesian food. Ito yung kulay.
The dish is pretty straightforward. I mean, you can't really go wrong with fried food. You can sprinkle some of the sauce to make it more flavorful. Some of the skewers I like were chicken, lotus root, asparagus, scallops, sweet potato, and mushrooms. The red ginger is probably the only one we didn't like. The kushikatsu was good, but it was not sufficient, so we were still hungry. We wanted to eat okonomiyaki at Mizuno but didn't make the cutoff, so we went to a ramen shop close to it instead, King-emon, which specializes in shoyu ramen. I ordered the most popular item on the menu, gold soy sauce ramen, for 850 yen. The broth is flavored with a light soy sauce, but it wasn't bland. The noodles are springy as usual and the thin chashu was really tasty. It was my first time to try shoyu ramen and my first bowl did not disappoint. We ended the night by having some dangerously piping hot takoyaki from one of the many takoyaki shops in Dotonbori. Thank you for watching the Daily Fill. See you in the next video!